unmute your mic and open your video also, and then share your feedback. Please start voluntarily. You can share your feedback because all are my guardians. So you can share so that I will get energy to conduct it more. Though this is fifth time, and I have tried to give you without any compromise. I have whatever I have committed, whatever I have shared in my brochure. I have tried to deliver all these things, all these topics with all your satisfaction, whatever question you have asked. So please share your view so that we can improve it for future also. Please. Hello, anybody? Oral feedback. Hello. Yes.
Good evening, sir. This is Muskan Belani. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Good evening, everybody. Okay, I'm very happy to be a part of this course. This course gave a latest gesture of the recombinant DNA technology up till research. Like in today's research, how this course is valuable. Everything was completed, and also when it started from scratch up till the end. Like today, we are also understanding the protein-protein interaction that is still ongoing, and how the recombinant proteins in the prokaryote as well as the eukaryote systems can be made. So it's a wonderful course. Very happy to be a part of it. Thank you.
Please introduce yourself, madam.
I am Dr. Muskan Belani. I am a temporary assistant professor at the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda, Vadodara, Gujarat.
Thank you, madam. Any other participants? Hello. Whatever you have filled, you can share. Don't worry. Yes. Please.
Hello, sir. My name is Bhairavi. This course was very helpful. As a microbiologist, I am knowing about the basic things, but the details sir have introduced that was out of the level. And as a microbiologist, I have never performed this kind of the recombination. So it was very helpful. And further in future, if I'm going to proceed with this kind of the practical, I'll definitely contact him for more guidance. Thank you so much.
Have you introduced, madam?
Myself,
Hello.
Prerit Bhagat. I am currently working as an ad hoc lecturer in Sri Ramakrishna Institute, Surat, Gujarat.
Thank you, madam. Any other? Hello. You can also suggest clearly. You can suggest something if you feel, and obviously whatever you feel good, that also you can suggest. Any other participants would like to share?
Good evening, sir. So myself, Mosmi Bera of Rebecca University. I'm pursuing BSc second year. I had just completed second year. I'm ongoing with my third year. So I actually had a very minimal idea about biotechnology, but after this course, I'm very glad and privileged to endure all the new things and the new methods how to go on with our DNA technology. So I'm very thankful to everyone to give me this opportunity.
Thank you, Mosmi.
Sir, one suggestion is that
Yes.
if possible, then after this all pandemic and all over, can you please arrange the hand-on workshop on recombination?
Yes, madam. I will try, and my director is also listening, and other stakeholders holders like Naresh Kumar sir is in several group. You can say means funding agencies and other things, and Deshmukh sir is also. So if we will get sufficient time, sufficient facility, then obviously whatever I have learned and whatever I have taught you, I will try to conduct that course also, that hands-on training also. And I request other participants, including the guest, to mute your mic so that you will hear other. Please mute your mic. Okay. Now, any other from other region?
Good evening, sir. Mahima Shukla, and I'm pursuing my
Naima, can you open your camera also? It would be
No,
nice.
no, sir, my camera isn't working.
Okay, okay, chalo.
I'm pursuing BSc Biotechnology from Sri Ramakrishna Institute, and from being the part of GSBTM intensive course of 13 days to till here, we are very blessed to have a guru like Gopal sir, who is clearing the basics to from basic to higher level. So I'm very glad to have a guru like Gopal sir in my life. He is very helpful in every aspect. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mahima. Yes, other participants.
Yes, sir. My name is Ruchika Sharma, and I am a TY student from Sri Ramakrishna Institute, Surat. And I am really happy to share my views about this RDT course because I have learned so many things and new terminologies here, which I haven't learned in 3 years of my biotechnology degree. So I'm really happy, and from GSBTM to this course, I have been enjoying this a lot, and your teachings are really helpful, Gopal sir. So I'm very thankful for that. Thank you.
Thank you. From Kashmir, one is like coordinator of some scientific program, Mohammad Imran Kozgar. I request Mohammad Imran Kozgar to share his view. Imran, are you listening me?
Yeah. Hello, good evening, everybody. Myself, Imran. I am presently coordinator in one of the projects that is funded by World Bank, Jalim Taif Flood Recovery Project. Basically, it is an administrative post to what my basic is research, and I want to enhance my research capabilities. And Gopalji has been my colleague in one of the programs, technological entrepreneurship program at IST Hyderabad, and his teachings was really attractive. And day by day, I become very curious that I will not leave 1 second of his lecture. And in future, I wish that I will get hands-on training from Gopalji. If God permits, we will be over by COVID-19 pandemic very soon. So hope to see Gopalji face to face in hands-on training program in future. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot to the team of the university and the Institute of Biotechnology.
Thank you, Dr. Any other participants which wish to share from other region? Revensa College, Revensa Universities कोई है?
Sir, I had already spoken.
Okay, good. Nirma University, Kiran Tak, are you?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. Myself, Kiran Tak, and I did my post-graduation this year only in biochemistry subject. I already read about the genetic engineering subject, but as Gopalji sir explained, he pointed out very logical, very conceptual learning. He's really a very good teacher, that he pointed out very small things that we learned the subject, but we never thought of this type of learning. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Any other participant from South? Padmavat University, Flora.
Hello sir, good evening sir to all of you respected. Sir, I finished my MSc last year from microbiology. सर मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी, डीएनए रिकॉम्बिनेंट के बारे में मुझे सर ने जितना समझाया इतना तो मैंने अपनी एमएससी में भी नहीं पढ़ा है. सर ने अभी मुझसे मेरे कॉलेज का नाम पूछा था और उन्होंने कहा कि कॉलेज का नाम नहीं सुना। सर मैंने आपके जितना अच्छा पढ़ा था अपने टीचर से नहीं सीखा, तो जितना मैंने इन 10 दिनों में आपसे सीखा है, तो थैंक यू सर। और
थैंक यू।
इस तरह के कोर्सेज हमें जो ऑनलाइन मिल जाते हैं वो काफी नॉलेजेबल होता है, ये मैंने आपकी इस कोर्स से सीखा। थैंक यू सो मच।
What is your college name, Flora?
सर गवर्नमेंट MH कॉलेज, मोहन लाल कॉलेज।
Okay, Bhopal, ना?
नो सर, जबलपुर। IDVV एफिलिएटेड है।
Good.
यस सर, थैंक यू सर।
Thank you. Any other participants willingly share his or her? Atia, Syed Atia, are you listening? किसी का तो कैमरा ही नहीं अच्छा, किसी का माइक नहीं अच्छा है. Can you speak? You have attended all lecture. Atia. No, okay. Subh Narayan Mishra. Okay. Subh Narayan Mishra, you can speak. Hello. Your mic is not working. Okay. Any participants whose mic is working and willing to share? Karunesh Yadav. मुझे बोलना पड़ेगा. Karunesh Yadav, you can share.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening to all of you and my guest sirs and Associate Professor Dr. Gopal ji. I did my MSc in 2015, and then I joined the coachings of JRF, but due to lack in some minor things which was associated with the exams, so it takes out 2 years to complete to finalize my JRF. So then I joined JRF in CSIC MAP Lucknow. Now I am doing my PhD work. So in this seminar, my focus was to know the cloning things and how we express the things. So that's why I joined this seminar. So now after listening these things, the lecture was very good and every concept was very clear, so that now we can use these things in our PhD work also. So thanks to Gopal ji sir, and his means clear visualization on the related things. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Karunesh.
Evening, sir.
Yes. हाँ तिया बोलो.
Sir, it is quite informative, and basically I am doing cloning and working on DNA recombinant technology and genetic engineering. So this is very important seminar or online course for me to enhance my this type of knowledge, because I'm a PhD student and sometimes I need some kinds of education that I'm missing in my PhD practicals and experiments. So the next point which I am making in some at point, I am now very much clearer that where I am back or what is I am lacking in practicing the cloning and DNA recombinant experiments. So Gopal ji sir, it is I'm very thankful for you to encourage me to joining this type of that you are. Thank you so much, sir.
You have not introduced, I think, Atia.
No, I've done my MSc in cancer biology from Gujarat Cancer and Research Institute, and recently I'm doing my PhD under Dr. Abhay Savda from Miladevi Campus and IIM.
Okay, thank you, Atia. Sir, Deshmukh sir, please mute your mic. I think that is some background voice is coming. Hello. Yes, sir. Thank you. If any of you are willing, then you can share. Otherwise, I will request my guest to share his view, his good words. Now,